beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, family. If this is the first time that you're stumbling on this channel, my name is Chichi and I concentrate on fashion and lots more. If it sounds like what you're interested in, to go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. Become part of this little family. Let's grow together. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. I love you all. So I'm going to be sharing today a handbag that was sent to me by a company called Sinbono. Sinbono is a handbag company that makes a handbag from recycled plastic bottles. Like, you won't even think about that, right? But like, they use recycled plastic bottles to create their handbag, and they're also known to be cruelty-free and eco-friendly. The handbag that I picked out is in this beautiful box that I'm going to share with you all. This is the box and it says Sinbono right here. I'm not too sure on my camera, is not really showing the actual details of the box, but the box do have like marble fills going around it. I love the fact that they do have boxing for their handbags. And over here, not quite sure if you can see, but I'm going to show a detailed view of the box in the handbag. But right here it says Sinbono as well, and it does say the name of the bag that I chose from the website. You can see that the bottom of the box also has the marble fillings right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box so we can see the handbag. So right out opening the box, there is a dust bag inside the box. And listen, like, I live for my dust bags for my bag, okay? So this is the bag right here. So this is a dust bag out of the box. It does say Sinbono right here. I love the feel of the dust bag. I love the black strings right here. I'm so glad that I do have a dust bag for this handbag, so if I don't want to put my bag or like display my bag out, I can put the bag back in the dust bag. I always love bags that come with dust bag because like they just help me keep my bag clean, right? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open this dust bag so we can see what's inside here. So this is the handbag right out of the dust bag. How gorgeous is this beautiful, beautiful bag? It is ivory in color, and again, it's called the Vienna handbag. And I know most of you will be like, well, how do you open this bag? Like, is there space to do that? Let me show you what you can do. So this top handle, you can unsnap it right here. It opens like this. You see here, and then you can actually open the handbag this way, like so. This is inside the bag. Inside the bag is the chain strap, and the fabric is a Velcro material. It's kind of like a velvety lining inside, which is very cool. You do have your compartments inside here, and at the back right here it also says Sinbono. It's not really showing that much in the camera, but this is the chain straps right here that you can hook on the sides right here, because it has the hooks right here, the hook right here that you can hook both sides right here. So I'm just gonna do that right now. Okay. All right, now I have hooked up the straps right here. Look at how beautiful those chains are on the handbag, and it's a top handle. I prefer to carry this bag as a top handle, you know, just because I love top handles a lot. And there'll probably be times where I would have to use the strap, but not right now because I do love the bag just as a top handle on its own. Be rest assured that what you're getting is a top quality handbag and very affordable. I'm also going to share with you guys the website of Sinbono, so you can go ahead and check the website out and see the types and styles of handbag that they do have on their website. So I'm also going to be styling this handbag with my clothing, so you all should watch out for that video because I'm going to be styling this gorgeous vegan handbag with some of my clothing, so watch out for that. I'm also going to leave information in the description box down below for those of you that want to get your hands on this Vienna handbag or any other handbag that is on their website. That link will be down in the description box. I also know that you're running the holiday promo, so make sure that you take advantage of that holiday promo code to secure a handbag from their website. This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you, family. Thank you all for watching this video. If you did love this video, give this video a thumbs up and also turn on your notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post any new content right here on my channel. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.